Hello. Moving towards the chapter, listen. The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, think of the importance of preamble, the relevance of preamble to our Constitution, how it starts. We, the people of India. How it starts? We, the people of India. So, the most prominent thing in the preamble of India is the people of India. You know, India is a democratic nation. What is democracy? What is democracy? The dominance is to its people, not to any particular authority, not to any particular person, but for all the people in this country. Clear? So, we the people of India. As India is a democratic nation, as we know, for the people, by the people, and of the people is the definition given to democracy. So, as that it states, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a India. What kind of a nation is India? India is a sovereign. What do you mean by sovereign? Independent of dominion of any other nation. That is, ഒരു പരമാധികാര രാഷ്ട്രം. That is the meaning of sovereign. Independent of dominion of any other nation. Sovereign socialist means what? The term was added by the 42nd Amendment. 42nd Amendment in which year? We have told it in the introduction, right? In 1976. The Indian brand of socialism is democratic and not communist. Sovereign socialist. Next is secular. What do you mean by secular? Equality and freedom for all religions in India. That is, in India, secularism is the acceptance of all faith, unlike in Europe where secularism is equal to atheism. All religions have equal status, has equal value in India. That is, Madhedara Rashtram. Haven't you noticed the term? Yes. Sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic. The most important thing. Supreme power lies in the people and Constitution derives its authority from the people. The supreme power lies in the hand of the people and Constitution derives its authority, its power from the people. Democracies are of many kinds: nominal, electoral, substantive, participatory, procedural, parliamentary, and so on. Indian democracy is parliamentary in form. Clear? So we have to identify what kind of democratic nation India is. It is parliamentary in form. Then next term is republic. The head of the state is elected directly or indirectly for a fixed period and the state does not have any privileged class. So, the head of the state is, we know the head of the state is elected directly or indirectly for a fixed period and the state does not have any privileged class. There is no speciality for a particular class. There is no privilege for a particular person. There is no dominance for a particular class or race. Again, justice, it is social justice, economic justice, and political justice. Justice is secured through the provisions of fundamental rights enshrined in Part 3 of the Constitution from Articles 12 to 35. Justice. Next one is liberty. Right to freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. Equality, provision of equal opportunity for all citizens without discrimination. Fraternity, provision of single citizenship incorporated in the Constitution, encourages every citizen to promote the spirit of brotherhood amongst all the people of India. Fraternity means what? Sahodaryam. Swadandram, Samatvam, Sahodaryam. Have you heard of the terms? That the terms we adopted from where? The French Revolution. Clear? So, all these terms are very important. So, we have to think about the order in which the words are arranged. Because, how can you define India? India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. The words should be in that particular order. Clear? Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Then, listen.